buddy. Hi. This is my day after Michigan State. I feel so much better. Thank you, Sally. Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Dr. Swersey. Hi, guys. Hey, buddy. You ready to come in the house? You ready to come in? Yeah. You like those Spartans, don't ya?